Marco Fanton from Italy. I've been playing guitars for more than 40 years. In 2016, I decided to switch completely to the use of digital modular by abandoning the traditional tube amplifiers and cabinets. Although I use in-ear monitors during my live performances, I realized that it was missing the typical sound of guitar cabinet and the interaction that I have always used to trigger controlled feedback. This could not be replaced with the traditional stage monitor placed in front of me. I needed a speaker that would allow me to get on stage the same sounds I created in the studio by the monitors or headphones, and be sure that the same sounds come out of the PA. Along this path, I was lucky to meet Red Sound, an Italian company specialized in audio system, with whom I developed the MF10 project, the first FR cabinet with a raw P system designed for digital modelers. The MF10 is equipped with a powerful 10 inches coaxial speaker driven by 300 plus 300 watt RMS stereo amplifier. The raw P system supplies all the power needed by the speaker, guarantee the maximum sound pressure level, which is the sonic boost I needed. From the second channel of the active MF10, it's possible to drive a second passive MF10 cabinet to get a truly engaging stereo configuration. The MF10 loudspeaker is assembled in a coaxial driver configuration. Woofer and tweeter are mounted in the same axis to cancel any phase issue in the front panel. These constructions allow us to get a powerful and pleasant sound emission. Thanks to the slightly inclined front panel, it's possible to place MF10 as a backline, exactly like the traditional cabinet. The MF10 can be used with any digital modeler or profiler, and can also be used with the acoustic guitar, bass guitar and the like as a mini PA. The MF10 speaker is totally handcrafted with the attention to the smallest details, extremely robust and light. Red Sound speaker cabinets are now available in USA and Canada through Lyon Healy Corporation in Chicago. Website on the description.